Flat pack furniture is one of the cheapest and easiest pieces of furniture to buy, but everyone seems to have trouble putting it together. My name's Melissa, this is How to Adult, let's get started.
I recently bought a height adjustable table, so I'm going to show you the final stages.
The first thing you need to do is open the box and find the instructions. All instructions should have an area showing you what tools are required, but you'll find these days most of them will include an Allen key. Next will be a list of all of the parts, then it's just a matter of following the instructions, but sometimes they're not easy to read. La Grill? What the hell is La Grill? You want to be careful of which direction certain parts go. I can see the circles that have been cut out on the instructions. I can also see where the holes are for the screws. Now it's just a matter of lining it up. Now my instructions say that there should be one screw near the hole and one at the back. So I've got 2 screw holes here, but I only have one in the desktop. So I need to pick the right one. I'm gonna go with the first hole because the last hole on this side lines up with the screw hole. This is all going to sound very dirty. Let's try and be mature about it. I'm going to tighten this screw, then do the opposite, then do that one and the opposite. That way, if anything needs to be moved or adjusted slightly, I can do that while the screws are still loose. Make sure everything's good. Now I can go and tighten them up. Putting together a flat pack, swearing is almost mandatory. Let's just be honest here. Just go in the hole!
Now it is time to stand it up.
Oh. No! Come on, yay! Where's my hose it? It's here. I think it's working. It's working! Woo! And that is how you put together a flat pack. I need a drink. If you want to learn other ways of being independent, click here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.